So, in this video, we are challenged with a trigonometry question. It's actually very simple. They want to find out what is tangent BAC. So, let's try to reconstruct just this triangle. So, it's 12, 13, and 5. So, let's get our line tool out. So, here we go. 12, 13, and 5. Yeah. Here's the second line. It's not going to be perfect. I don't have my tablet with me. Here's the third line. Here, then this is here, and this is here. Well, it's not perfect, of course. So, first we got 12, 13, and 5. So here's 12, 12, this is 13, and this is 5. So then, we want to know what angle they want us to look for. This is BAC. So they want us to look for BAC, which would be the top corner one. So, BAC would be, let's write this would be this one. So what happens in it's a sine, cosine, and tangent kind of thing. So sine will always be the furthest away from and traditionally they'll teach you SOHCAHTOA, and that's crazy. So basically what happens is the sine would always be the furthest away from the angle that you want to get. So this would be sine, and it'd be pointing this way. This is sine. Then cosine would be the one that's sharing the line with it. Sharing the line would be here, and take into account that sine and cosine they're all aiming for the hypotenuse, and they're both generally aiming towards the to the angle that you want to find, and tangent would be going across both of them. So basically, you would want to go across both of these lines, and it would be tangent would go across, and it would also end up pointing at the angle you want, but it's still off. It's not hitting. So this is sine, cosine, and tangent. So let's type this out really quick. This would be cosine. This would be sine, and these are the actual way you write them. And this is tangent. After that, what you want to find, so they want me to find tangent. So basically what happens is the arrow actually is important. So let's just find everything for the sake of this video. Sine, since it's going 5 to 13, so it would be 5 over 13. It originates from 5 and goes to 13, so 5 over 13 would be sine. Cosine would be 12 over 13, because that is where it's originating from and where it's ending up. And tangent would be 5 over 12. 5 over 12. And basically that's all there is to it. It's actually really simple, and if you were missing one of the values, you would just have to use the Pythagorean theorem, and so our tangent would be 5 over 12, and let us check that. You do need to simplify, but this you can't simplify, and we are correct.